Hello all, welcome back. In this video, we will talk about the video scope and the first video scope, which is waveform. You can see in top in the bottom right corner, we have all the scopes for each waveform, vector scopes, etc. See, so we are not going to we are going to talk about the waveform. So let's get to it. So we can see these. We can select all the channels here, like RGB, and now I have only selected the Y channel, right? So let's how to read this, because you can see that if I reset it, so you can see all the three channels RGB are shown, and now we are going to talk about only the Y channel. So you can see this is Y channel. These are RGB as well. So I'm only selecting the Y channel, and let's see how to read it. So you can see the bunch of pixels in the waveform and how this is going to practically help in our grading and color correction in the scope. So you can see that this is scattered 0 to 1023, right? And you can see the how the bit depth is scattered across the vertical line of the graph. You can see the darkest pixels towards the 0, and the lightest pixels on the graph is 1023. You can see here, right? So 1023, 8967, you can the lightest pixels, and these are the midtones, and you can see the darkest pixels in the on the bottom side of the graph. So you can see the grayscale, and the 0 is pure black, and 1023, you can see the grayscales I have scattered is a pure white, right? And in between all the neat details are there. So in practical, how do we can use this? Let me show you. So if you see how this is gonna work, now you can see the horizontal pixels of the graph directly correlate with the image. The pixels are in the horizontally in the image. So let me show you how it works actually. So you can see this. Let me set it right like this. So you can see the face in the middle of the image, and you can see the pixels also showing in the middle of the image. So this is the left, and this is the left. So you can see whatever you are doing with the image proportionately it will be showing here. So this is the high and this is low. So you can see. Let me show you how it works. So if you do something like this in the top right, like this, so you can see this the left side is only impacting, and if you do the right side, only the right side is being erased. So this is how the we can treat this. So if you see the entire data is stretched to upper side, it means the image is out of the exposure. So if you let me set it. If you pull the gamma or offset, entire image is gonna come to middle area like this. You can see this, and if you create like this, pull the high, image is going to work like this. So you can give the contrast. You can. This is for just demonstration purpose how this is actually going to work. So let me reset. So you can see that this is the top left. Yeah, this is the left area, and these are the pixels representing the left area. This is the middle. So this is the middle. This is the left side, and this is the right side. The pixels. Let me show you one more clip, and let's take this clip, right? So how we can read this image? You can see this is the you know let me show you one important graphical representation so that you can easily understand this graph like this, and let me show this. So this is how. So see, like this. So this. So you can see this is a gray world kind of, and you can see this is representing how, like this, and this is the pure white. So you can see this is a pure white, and this is a dark part, little bit, and this is dark part, and you can see like this. So if you can see like this, and now let me show you one more thing. If I want to pull the offset, so see, entire image is going back, and 0 like this, and if I pull the left, only left, I pull gain, I pull gamma like this. So this is how the pixels are showing. So the top, so you can see the what is the most bright part in the image. So you can see this is the most bright part in the image. So how will you find where is this part is? So this is somewhere in middle kind of. So you can see like this. This is here. If you are not able to do this, you can take this like this. You can pull this waveform like this. So you can see this is the top right corner, right? This is the top right, and this is so you can see this pixels are being read from left to right and bottom to up. So this is the brightest part, and this is the brightest part, and this is the middle part. This is so this is as this image left to right. You can read this image left to right. So let me show you one more thing. If how this is being affected like this. So you can see if I select like this, so they see this only this part is being affected because image is being read left to right. This is actually the same as the images. If you drag it like this, see, so you are here, and if you take the right side, you are here like this. So you can see if I do in like this, so this you are in the middle, you are in the right, you are okay. Now how you can so read it from bottom to top. So you can see this is the brightest part, and this is the brightest part. If it is overexposed, it will be shown like this, like this. Okay. So if you want, then you can see you can pull it back by gain. So you can see this is how you pull it back. So anything going above 1023, no detail, and below 0, no details. So this is how we read this waveform.